smooth, professional screen recordings with OBS, but don't know the best settings to use? Watch this. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up OBS for screen recording, including the best settings for quality, audio, and performance. First, open OBS Studio. I recommend creating a brand new blank scene. You'll probably only have one scene already, and that's completely fine. Now from the bottom right corner, click Settings. For general settings, you don't really need to change anything. So on the left side, click Output. Now ignore the streaming section because we're focusing on recording. First, set the output mode to Simple. The advanced mode isn't really necessary for most people. Now under Recording. First, choose your recording path. This is where your videos will be saved. I personally save mine in a screen recordings folder, but you can use any folder you want. Next, open the recording quality drop-down. I recommend using high-quality medium file size. This gives you a great balance between video quality and performance. If you choose very high-quality settings, your computer may lag during recording. Now for recording format. I recommend selecting MP4 because it works almost everywhere. Next comes the encoder. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, I recommend using VENC. Otherwise, you can select X264. This one setting can seriously affect your recording performance. Once you're done, click Apply. Now on the left side, click Audio. For desktop audio, you can either leave it on default or select your speakers manually. Make sure you choose the correct microphone. Otherwise, your voice won't be recorded. Now click Apply again. Next, click Video. Now this section is really important. The base canvas resolution is basically your workspace. And the output resolution is the actual quality of the recorded video. If you have a 1080p monitor, I recommend setting both to 1920 by 1080. If you have a higher resolution monitor, you can go higher. Now for FPS, which means frames per second. This controls how smooth your video looks. If your computer is powerful enough, I highly recommend setting it to 60 FPS. But if you're on a lower-end PC, 30 FPS is still perfectly fine. 60 FPS just makes everything look much smoother and cleaner. Now click Apply and then press OK. Now, if you want faster controls, you can also set hotkeys. For example, I like to set F12 as my start and stop recording key. This makes recording much easier while gaming or multitasking. Now that the settings are done, let's actually record your screen. First, under Sources, click the plus icon. Then choose what you want to capture. I personally use Display Capture because it records the entire screen. But you can also use Game Capture Window Capture or even a webcam. Now select Display Capture. Then click OK. If you have multiple monitors, simply choose the monitor you want to record. Then press OK again. Before recording, take a quick look at the audio mixer. You may want to lower your desktop audio so your microphone stays clear and easy to hear. This small adjustment can make your videos sound way more professional. And now you're ready. To begin recording, simply click Start Recording. When you're finished, just click Stop Recording. OBS will automatically save the video to the folder you selected earlier. If you want to add a webcam, under Sources, click the plus icon again and select Video Capture Device. Then choose your webcam and click OK. You now know how to fully set up OBS and record smooth, high-quality videos like a pro. If this guide helped you out, leave a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.